Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to create a Google Doc. Now, in order to create a Google Doc, you first have to get to Google Drive. There are a number of ways to do that, but I'm just going to go with the most universal one, although I'm not sure it's the easiest, but it's definitely the most universal. So you open up a browser and you type in www.googledrive.com and you hit enter. Now, Google Drive is roughly equivalent to Microsoft Office, except it's free and it is completely web-based. So I'm going to now sign in using my Google account. If you haven't got one already, I suggest you set one up by watching an earlier video. So I type that in and go next. It's remembered my password, so I'm going to go sign in. And then basically you'll get to this screen. Now, to create a Google Doc, obviously after a while your Google Drive gets very full, and so you tend to create folders to organize it. But to create a simple doc, all you go to is New. You hit the New button and up pops this menu, and you'll see one of the first options is Google Docs. You hit Google Docs. Google Docs is roughly equivalent to Microsoft Word. It's a word processor, and so it lets you sort of structure it in whatever way you want your document to be. Now, one of the first things you always do is you name your document. So if I click on the untitled document title at the top, what you'll find is that I'm able to edit that actual title. So I'm going to say, well, go in there and I'll call it Training Doc with PS. And if I hit enter, now that document is completely title changed. You'll see on the right hand side everything you do in Drive automatically gets saved. So there's no need to save with Google Drive and with Google Docs. And so that's pretty much how you set up a simple Google Doc. The next video will deal with how to actually share this doc with people so multiple people can edit at the same time and so on.